Hey boo hey, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mika and we talk fashion, life, and a little bit of everything in between. Now you already know I love me some jeans. I have hips, I have thighs, I have tummy, and I know that every trend is not for me, and that's okay. So today I'm going to walk you through some denim trends that are actually cute and wearable and perfect for spring. So go ahead and grab you a little coffee, a little matcha, get comfy, and let's get into these looks. Let's start with a classic, okay? We are talking baggy relaxed jeans. Now I thought this one wasn't for my thick girls because I always thought they would look unflattering, they wouldn't fit right, but now me and baggy jeans, we go together real bad. I was hesitant at first because I didn't want to feel swallowed. I finally reached that stage in my life where I don't want everything super loose, but I also don't want everything super tight either. I decided to give them a try, and when you find the right cut that just fits you perfectly, run with them, okay? They give a little drape without the drag. Next up is barrel leg jeans. I started seeing these trend last year and I was worried. As a thick thigh bandit, not everything is for everyone, but this one was worth a try. These are an unexpected favorite for me this year. Think of them as the cool cousin to the relaxed jeans. They have that slight little taper at the ankle that makes it flattering for your curves. I just love the silhouette of them. It took me a minute to find my favorite pair of barrel jeans. I'll go ahead and show you guys the one I got. These are, I believe, from H&M, and I love them. They're super cute. They're wearable for every day. They're a light colored wash, perfect for spring. And I love how they create a structured look without feeling too tight or stiff. Now this next trend surprised me. I know I was starting to see it ease into my Pinterest feeds, but I wasn't sure we was ready to go there yet. It is everywhere, especially if you want to show off your shoes. Cuffed hems add a little bit of dimension to your outfit, and they break up the denim in a really subtle way. I feel like these look really cute with like little ballet flats or a nice pump or boot. Don't get me started. Don't get me started. Do I still have your attention? Because next we're talking jorts. I said it. I did. I didn't expect to love jorts again, but here we are. Now, I wore them in high school all the time, and that was many, many moons ago. But I'm not talking about them. I'm not talking about the low-rise cut-off jorts. I'm talking structured, mid-length denim that can be dressed up or down. Think tailored inseams, kind of like cargo shorts. Yes, let's go with that. They're perfect for like the warm spring days or casual events. I know that white beaters are coming back, tanks or whatever they say. They never really left, especially if you're from Florida. But I feel like this is just an effortless look. Throw on some cute little sneakers or those little mesh ballet flats and go on about your business. While we're here, if you guys ever want to shop any of the pictures or ideas or clothes that I mentioned, I have created boards on my LTK, so if you see some inspo and you want to go ahead and take a look, I got you. Next, we have utility and cargo denim. You've probably already seen it, but this year it's more refined. Think clean pockets, structured shapes, definitely a streetwear vibe. I actually really love these with a basic top and sneakers. I feel like it's just like a cute, really chill vibe. The next one is my fave, and honestly, I don't have to buy any jean skirts this season because I bought them all last year. Maxi denim skirts or midi length denim skirts will be a go-to in rotation this year again. They're really cute for spring, especially when you want to wear denim but you don't want to wear jeans. This just gives a cute little casual and dress up vibe. I love a jean skirt. I think I styled one 100 ways last year. I'll go ahead and link my favorite ones below in the description box because baby, jean skirts, at first y'all was telling me it was giving Pentecostal. But now I think I'm an expert for the size and cut on my shaped body. They give cool girl without doing too much. So those are my spring denim 2025 trends that I'm loving right now. Be sure to let me know in the comments which ones are your favorites or which ones you're gonna be adding to your wardrobe this season. And if you guys want a full try on video, just say the word and I got you. Also, don't forget, I'll link a few of my favorite pieces below if you want to shop any of the looks that I mentioned today. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Thumbs this video up if you like this kind of content. I got you. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye.